You can never sleep in traffic. There's living steady panic. I know 'cause I tried acid. Now I see through your habits, just like gadgets. You tell me with the two hands, I'm too bad.
What is up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. What the heck is going on? What is really going on? Is your girl really doing this? You know what? I love coming to record my workouts because guess what? It holds me accountable, and I know that y'all are watching. I know that you're here. So I know I got people rooting for me saying, go, Sweet Angel, go. Go, Sweet Angel, go, and we're going to get it, get it, get it. And that's what I love. I love that, and I love it. Keep up the spirit. Hopefully, you are doing your thing as well in this thing, right? So today we're going to start off a little bit different. I told y'all I'm exploring new horizons when it comes to my workouts, trying to make them fun and enjoyable. And I jumped on top of this Pilates thing, and I'm going to stick with it. But I wanted to make sure I kind of let you know some things beforehand that I'm learning along the way. And that is that warm-ups are so important. You got to warm up that body. You got to get your breathing right. You got to get all those things in order to make this a good session and good results. Okay? So, before we get started doing Pilates or any workouts, okay, it's essential to warm up and warm up your body properly before you get started, because that helps to prevent injuries, that helps to optimize your performance. And I want to share with y'all in this video today a simple warm-up routine, okay? I'm a woman of a certain age, so again, I am not physically fit as some may be, so therefore I do it to my extent, okay, that I can do it. Now, when you go looking up how to do certain things, make sure you don't push the button too hard, because guess what? You're going to push it and sometimes you're going to drop in the damn floor because it's too much. And I'm not going for too much. I'm going for what is suitable for my body type, and what I can handle. All right. So we're going to get started today. And the first warm up. Oh, let's get to the floor. Oh, let's get to the workout room. Let's get it. First, I'm going to do deep breathing. First, I'm going to begin by standing tall with my feet hip width apart. Now I'm going to inhale through my nose, expanding my lungs fully, and then I'm going to exhale completely through my mouth. I'm going to repeat this for several breaths to oxygenate my body and center my mind. Next up, I'm going to do some neck circles. That's right, neck circles. Oh yeah. I'm going to gently roll my neck in clockwise and counterclockwise circles, making sure that I keep the movement slow and controlled. This is going to help release tension in my neck and my upper back. Next up, I'm doing shoulder rolls. Oh yeah, those shoulders. Oh, it's gonna feel so good. Watch out. I'm going to roll my shoulders up, back, and down in a smooth circular motion. I'm going to repeat this several times to loosen up my shoulders and upper back. Now I'm getting ready to do some arm circles. Yes, I'm going to extend my arms out to the sides at shoulder height and make small circles with my arms. First clockwise, then counterclockwise. Now, this helps to warm up my shoulder joints and improve mobility. Now I am ready for my spinal warm-up. I will stand with my feet hip width apart and gently roll my spine down, starting from my head and moving vertebrae until my hands reach the floor or my shins. Hold for a moment. Then slowly roll up to standing, stacking each vertebrae on top of the next. I'm going to repeat this a few times to mobilize my spine. Let's get you some fun. I'm getting ready to move these hips. The hip circles. Yes, I'm going to stand with my feet hip width apart and place my hands on my hips. I'm then going to circle my hips clockwise and then counterclockwise, making smooth and controlled movements. This helps to loosen up my hip joints and improve mobility. Now let's get to the leg swings. Yes, I'm going to stand near this wall. I just want to make sure I have some sturdy surface to support me if needed. I'm going to swing one leg forward and backward in a controlled manner. I'm going to keep the movement fluid and gentle. Now I'm going to repeat on the other leg. This helps to warm up my hip flexors and hamstrings. Then let me go into my ankle circles. Let me just sit on the floor. I'm going to extend my legs in front of me. Now I'm going to circle my ankles in clockwise and counterclockwise motions, making sure to point and flex my toes as I go through this. This will help to warm up my ankle joints and improve mobility. The last thing I'm going to do is my full body stretch. I'm going to finish this up with warming up my entire body, reaching my arms over my head and lengthening my spine as I inhale deeply. Then exhale as I release the stretch. I'm going to repeat this a few times to awaken my muscles and prepare them for movement. And now we've warmed up the body, y'all. Yes. Now remember to listen to your body, as I said, during your warm-up. You got to do that. And you can modify any exercise as needed to suit your individual needs and abilities. That's what we have to remember in exercising. As long as you're working your body to its abilities and your needs, you're fine. Let's get to today's new little piece of Pilates. And that is the crisscross. Yes. I am going to lay on my back with my knees bent and hands behind my head and my elbows wide. Now I'm going to lift my head, neck, and shoulders from the mat and engage my core. Yes, the crisscross. The crisscross targets the oblique abdominal muscles, commonly known as the love handles, making it an essential exercise. Prior to initiating the twist motion, ensure strong support, spine elongation, and core warmth. So I'm going to begin by stacking my hands one on top of the other behind the back of my head. Now you can also clasp your fingers together, which sometimes give me more stability that way. I'm going to lift my head, neck, and shoulders. Now right here, I like to go ahead and lift my legs in a tabletop position, okay? Now, once I've done that, now I'm going to lift my head, neck, and shoulders and bring my legs up in a tabletop position. Now, I am then going to twist towards my left, maintaining the lift off the left shoulder blade. And I'm going to extend my right leg out as I switch sides. I'm trying to focus on my controlled breathing, inhaling and exhaling with each twist while keeping my elbows wide behind the ears. Also, I'm going to try to avoid curling inwards, maintaining proper form throughout. That again is all about my abilities or even your abilities, okay? Now after the final repetition, I'm going to bend my knees, I'm going to grasp my shins and lower my head, neck and shoulders back down. If leg extension causes discomfort in the lower back or strains the abs, you can always modify this by lowering the feet to the mat and focusing solely on the upper body twist. I'm trying to make sure I engage the oblique abdominals effectively. So now we're back at the starting position. All right, beautiful babes, that is it. That's how we're going to do that. Hopefully you enjoyed today's little session, got the information on the warm-up, and we are good to go. I am getting ready to soon incorporate all of my pieces of this Pilates into an entire video so I can just work off of that continuously instead of piecing it together day by day. But I'm learning as I go. I'm learning what I'm able to do so that I can effectively do my exercises without harming myself or even sharing just poor form to you all. I'm doing my very best at doing that. So I hope you enjoy hanging out with me because I enjoy doing this and it's very beneficial for me. So I'm loving that. But I will see y'all in the next one. Take care of it. Then girl, get fine. Summertime fine. Okay. Well, anyway, I'm out of here. Tell everybody who you're hanging out with. Yeah, your girl, Sweet Angel. We're doing this, y'all. We are doing this. You and me. This is our year. Yeah, every year is our year. We're still here, right? Baby, we cannot be stopped. Anywho, I'm out. Make sure you subscribe. Turn on your bell notification because you don't want to lose me. Do you not? All right. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.